Okay, I'm gonna make an olla. These are 2 terracotta pots. They are not finished, and that's on purpose, so that once it's filled with water, the water will seep through. And so the cool thing about the ollas is that these 2 pieces are very important, the empty ones. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to cover this one that's gonna be on the bottom, because we're gonna put it in the ground like this. And we're gonna fill the water up here so that this whole container will be filled with water, so that gives all the plants that are around it an opportunity to get a little drink if it gets too hot. So first we're going to do is we're going to take some of this Gorilla Glue, and we're going to take this cap, just a little plastic cap. We're like big fans of kombucha, so we have these nice little tops that we can put on the bottom. So I'm going to take some Gorilla Glue and put it around the end of the cap. And I'm going to put it on the bottom here to seal off that piece. Then I'm going to put Gorilla Glue along the outside of the... You make sure it's a nice good seal. I'm going to smooth it along. And I'm going to give it an opportunity to dry. Then I'm going to fill it with water to make sure that it doesn't leak. And if it leaks, then I'll just put a little bit more sealant on it so that it can be placed in the ground without any seepage. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more around the cap. And I'm going to allow it to set up for about 24 hours. And then I'll test it with water to see how it's working.